Getting sales feels awesome, right? But how do you get people to see your products? What if I told you there's an easy way to get your products in front of more eyes without having to spend a ton of money on ads? Enter Pinterest. Hey, I'm Leah, and did you know that shoppers on Pinterest spend 2 times more per month than people on other platforms? Pinterest is an extremely visual search engine, meaning it's perfect to showcase both your brand and products. Right now, of its roughly 400 million active users, about 75% of pinners worldwide are female, but Gen Z and men are their fastest growing demographic. So there are plenty of eyes to get your stuff in front of. Also, Pinterest has been really good at predicting trends since the whole platform is driven by pinners planning for the future. And actually, 80% of their trends came true for the last 4 years in a row. So if you haven't already, we really suggest exploring what's happening there. As I mentioned, Pinterest is a visual search engine to discover, shop, and get inspired. Pins are like bookmarks for people to save what they like. These can be pictures, videos, or products saved from websites or created within Pinterest. And when clicked, you can visit the website to learn more about the idea or item. Boards are where pins get pinned and can be named and organized into sections with your pins. For example, maybe you have a mental health board. You can add different sections like positive affirmations and music therapy to keep similar ideas in the same place. So why is Pinterest good for your shop? Well, firstly, it gets people to your shop. Showcase pictures of your products in the form of pins on the platform, and when users see something they like, they can click on it and be taken directly to your website or shop. Create brand awareness. Build a recognizable brand by creating boards that reflect your brand's personality and values to connect with your target audience as well as attract new customers. Learn about your business. See what people resonate with and create effective marketing campaigns. Pinterest provides data on engagement, reach, and demographics. And ultimately, get more sales. Pinterest makes it easy for people to find what they want. Dedicated boards for specific categories or products increase your chances of converting potential customers into actual customers. To get started, we need to create a business account. It's free, but you can choose to pay for Pinterest ads if you want. You can either create an entirely separate business account or convert your personal one. Add some info to your profile, and then we can create a board and start pinning. Let's start by exploring our home feed. Engaging with other pinners and boards helps expand your reach as you want others to pin your products to their boards as well so their followers can see your items. Remember when I said that Pinterest is a search engine? If your item is related to other people's items, it'll help it get discovered in the search. You can save pins directly to your profile by clicking the red Save button. You can discover more pins by clicking the Explore tab or search for more specific topics related to your niche. By clicking the Profile button on a pin, you can save the pin to a board you've already created, or you can create a new board. I'm going to keep exploring and save a few more pins relevant to my niche. In my profile, I can see all the pins I've saved and reorganize them into boards and sections. I've created a board with 2 sections and have added pins that complement my niche but don't compete with my products. And FYI, having multiple boards is better for the Pinterest algorithm as it'll show that you're an expert in your niche. Our profile looks a little bland though, so let's add a banner. This will make us look more professional and credible. Let's now create a pin for our product. But first, what types of pins should I create? Remember, Pinterest is all about sharing content that your audience is interested in and gives them value. Create pins not only for your Etsy listings, but also for blog posts with your products, any press your products have been featured in, upcoming sales and collaborations, or even new product launches. You can save pins directly from your Etsy shop, and Pinterest will pull all the info directly from Etsy. But keep in mind that what people are searching for on Etsy may not be what people on Pinterest are searching for. Etsy SEO and Pinterest SEO are different, and Etsy images may not be optimized for Pinterest. Because of this, it can be a good idea to create your pin directly on Pinterest. First, we'll want to do some keyword research so our pin better fits what Pinterest users are looking for. We can look for keywords by checking what autofill in the search bar brings up, or under the Analytics tab, we can search for trends. We can filter by trend type, end date, interests, specific keywords, and even by age and gender. We can also compare keywords by region, see related trends, demographics searching those keywords, and popular pins based on them. Once we've completed our research, we can create our pin. At the top of the page, find the Create tab. Add your picture, fill in the title and description with your keywords, add your Etsy link that leads to the listing, and add it to a board. You can also tag related topics to reach users with similar interests as your followers. Add a few pins every day and watch your brand and sales grow. Pinterest can be an amazing resource to drive traffic, but remember that your Etsy listings should be optimized first and foremost. That is, great designs, nice, clear mock-up photos, and of course, keyword-rich titles and relevant tags. Now get pinning and share with us and others what you learn in the comments, like this video, and subscribe to Printify for even more tips on getting your products seen.